Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. Hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch the video to the end. All these things I appreciate. Check out all the different media. Check out the Discord and the and staking pool if you want information on our staking pool. Watch the intro video to my channel, and it'll kind of give you some of our vision. Okay. I wanted to tell you about this project. I actually just saw this pop up on my radar. Pillars of Creation. It's basically a metaverse planetarium type deal, where you got planets, a solar system, and everything. I saw this tweet of theirs on their Twitter channel. It says, uh, 2 hours left before Series 2 drops, only 300 planets left. So this is going to happen in about an hour and a half or so. Wanted to get this out to you. So if you might be interested in this, look, be careful with any project, right? Um, some of these metaverses, some of them are going to do well, some of them aren't going to do well. The team's going to bail out. Some of them won't bail out. So I'm buying this stuff as like, anything I buy, I'm considering it like a piece of artwork, as some first edition Cardano NFTs, and it's just be artwork to me, right? So, and if you get on a good project, get on a good project, and I have gotten on some good projects. I've gotten on some bad ones too, but already. So anyway, the what you do is the NFTs are like 30 ADA a piece. I think that's what this said over here was this. Yeah, 30 ADA a piece for minting. The minted price will be 30 ADA per planet, and you will need two in order to merge into a 3D planet. So what you're going to do is you're going to get these NFTs, and they're going to be like a 2D planet, and they're going to have different elements. And then what will happen is you'll merge them together, and they will create another planet. They'll create a 3D planet, and the 3D planet, what it's going to do is going to allow you to um, have a chance, have a opportunity to buy land in the Milky Way or their metaverse, right? You'll have like, I guess you'll have first dibs on some of the land in their metaverse. Here's their on their website here. Here's the team. You can check them out. They have a 5-man team here, and it looks pretty decent. So it looks like an interesting project, little fun project, and all that kind of stuff. Um, so anyway, I just thought you might be interested in this. In about an hour and a half, this is going to be they're going to open up for their Series 2 drops. So anyway, they're only minting 300 planets, and you need two of them to make something happen with them, right? To turn them into a 3D planet. So all right, well, hope your trading's going well, and y'all are beautiful. I'll see you next time.